Genius tricks. This is actually like a teachable moment, as they say, or whatever.
Kind of like if you were like, cha-ching, cash money. Yeah.
Now is not the time to go write the great American novel.
Well, it can be a pretty powerful flavor.
That's what I'm going for.
It's so good to eat breakfast buns like this when they're still warm.
At this point, I would probably take a picture of it, but my phone died, so I'm just gonna eat it.
What should we do after we eat this cake?
You should go like and subscribe and push all the things, and then you'll get videos of crazy cakes. Because this cake is bananas.